What if I told you that the secret to youthful, glowing skin isn't in expensive creams, but in natural oils you might already have at home? Yes, science and skincare experts agree. The right oils can reduce wrinkles, boost collagen, and keep your skin looking fresh and radiant well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond. Stick around, because this Evan is the one even dermatologists are obsessed with. And I'll show you exactly how to use it. Welcome to Health Insights, where natural beauty meets science. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love skincare that actually works. 1. Argan Oil, liquid gold, rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids. Argan oil deeply hydrates and boosts elasticity. Tip: apply 2 to 3 drops at night after cleansing. Wake up with smoother skin. 2. Rosehip seed, oil packed with vitamin A, retinol, and C. It fades fine lines and evens out skin tone. Pro tip: mix with your moisturizer for a glow-boosting night treatment. 3. Jojoba oil, mimics your skin's natural sebum. Balances oil and fights wrinkles at the same time. Lightweight and non-comedogenic. Perfect for daily use, even under makeup. 4. Marula oil high in antioxidants and amino acids. Firms and plumps the skin, especially great for dry or mature skin types. 5. Pomegranate seed. Oil contains punixic acid, a rare omega-5 fatty acid that promotes cell regeneration. Use it as a spot treatment around the eyes and mouth. 6. Squalane from olives. Ultra lightweight and non-greasy, ideal for layering under other products. It locks in moisture and defends against free radical damage. 7. Sea Buckthorn Oil, the wrinkle warrior. This oil is packed with rare omega-7, carotenoids, and vitamins. It boosts collagen, reduces age spots, and smooths fine lines. This is the one dermatologists are raving about, and a little goes a long way. 8. Tamanu oil, known for wound healing and scar reduction. It can help reverse sun damage and soften wrinkles. Warning: has a strong scent. Best used at night. 9. Grapeseed oil, tightens skin and reduces inflammation thanks to resveratrol and polyphenols. Lightweight and perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. 10. Frankincense, essential oil, diluted, a natural astringent and anti-inflammatory. It tones skin, fades age spots, and supports healthy cell turnover. Always dilute with a carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil.